Today in this video we will understand how to configure or how to set a TCP file customization file in Tally.ERP 9. For this you just open your Tally.ERP 9 application, click on F12 and then click on product and features, then click on manage local TDL. This option must be set to yes, load TDL file on startup, and here you have to paste the location of TDL file, complete name with complete name. Suppose my file is located in this folder TCP file, so I'll simply go to that location. I'll just copy the file path. This is my TCP. You can easily see this is the TCP file, extension is TCP. So I'll just copy the path of this file and I'll paste it in this box. So I have to configure one TCP, that's why I pasted here. If second TCP I have to configure, I can paste it here and then I'll save it. Now your TCP is successfully configured. When you configure a TCP, you can see the date and time of compilation of that TCP. So in this way you can configure TCP if it is in single user environment. In case of multi-user environment, if Tally is running in multiple system, it is suggested to store the TCP in a shared location. Like we have 10 users and every users want to use the TCP. So what I can do, I'll configure the TCP in a shared location. Like this is my location and here is the TCP. So in each and every Tally user I'll configure this path so that every user can use this. So I'll just simply copy it and paste it, and this is the actually network path. In case of multi-user environment, again F12, product and features, F4, and then I can paste it. So in this way you can use this TCP. So this is not loaded because the path is not configured. If it is configured properly, it will show as loaded. So I'll do the local path here. I just copied the local path. So in this way we are able to configure the TCP. Hope this video help you to understand this TCP configuration. Thank you.